All right, guys, super fast tutorial here. I'm in After Effects, and I want to change the background of this YouTube end card that I'm building for this channel. And basically, it's currently a dark gray solid, right? It's down here, and you would think by clicking on it and being under the effect controls area right here, you'd have some kind of settings, but they don't exist, right? And then if you open this up, you got transform. There's no real color settings or anything you can do with this. Where is it, right? I don't understand. It's actually easier than you think, but it is a little hidden. All you have to do is go up to layer and click solid settings. Now you can see there is a shortcut for this. It's Shift Command Y. If you hit that, the solid settings will actually open up and you'll have a color picker right here. You can easily just change the color of the frame to whatever you want. And that's it. It's super easy, but it took me like a while to find that after not using After Effects for a long time. So that's how you change it. Hope that's a helpful tutorial and tip for you, and I'll see you on the next one.